Ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. Oh, we are doing Sunny Afternoon by the Kinks. Wow. And we're going to work on that iconic bass line. We're going to use it in two different ways in this song. Let's just look at the simpler version right now. Okay, so this is the process I went to figure out what the hell is going on here because it's not in the chart, it's not in the music. So we have to figure this out by ear. Let's assume that that bass line is happening over what chord, do you think? D minor.
D minor.
And then I'll give you a hint. The second half of it, which we won't get to today, but we will next week, is over an A7 chord. So if we're over a D minor chord, just guessing, what note do you think we might be starting on?
D.
D.
D. Okay, where, yay, where is there a D on the G string? What fret?
Seventh fret.
Good for you.
Yeah.
So now what I did was and thank goodness it's in the same key we were doing in, which makes it a lot easier. I was just humming along. So it's going ba 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 ba. Little tricky. Let's figure out what the notes are. So we know we're starting off at a D, and let me just give you a hint. The entire lick that will finish next week is an octave. So where will it end?
On a D.
On a D, exactly. So we're going to be connecting two Ds. So we've got a D, D, and then a C, and then what do you think? What note is that? Someone played it. B. Good. And then
B flat.
B flat. That's exactly it. So now if you want to write that down to help you, go for it. So it's and we're plucking the string twice on each beat. So 1, 2, C, that's a D, C, B, B flat. Ba, 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 ba. Now the question is, what is the technique we want to use with our right hand? We got a lot of choices. I gravitate towards what a bass player would do. I'm doing my alternating index and middle finger, and I might rest my thumb against the wood of the ukulele. I might rest it up here. I think our bass players have like a little thumb rest that they can rest their thumb on. It's so cute. I should buy a little pillow for their little thumb rest. So you could do I love that. I feel like I'm a frustrated bass player. Let's try it together. 2, 3, 4. Again. Now, you can also do the old flick number. Remember we talked about this in our other songs today. It's almost like frailing. So I'm going. See how I'm slapping it. It adds some pizzazz, huh? I'm getting that little extra thing because I'm just lifting my finger so I can get a. Don't worry about that yet, but just see what the possibility is. Let's just try that one more time. 2, 3, 4. Again. Let's do it again. One more time. That bass line lick we're going to use through most of the song, where we're singing in the summertime. in the summertime, in the summertime. And then next week, what we'll talk about is how we take this lick. We'll show you. That would only happen at the very beginning of the song. There's a bit more to that. So we'll talk about that next week. But let's work on this for this week.